Detector Dog Team. In recent years, Taiwan's social environment has changed a lot. There is a significant increase of importation quantity of drug smuggling and drug addicts. The situation goes from bad to worse as time goes by. Since drugs violence physical and mental health of general public as well as our social order, Customs, as a border protection agency, takes the responsibility of anti-smuggling of drugs. In July 2007, under direction and assistance of Customs Administration, Kaohsiung Customs set up the Detector Dog Team. In the next June, Customs Administration set up the Detector Dog Breeding and Training Center in Houli, Taichung, and established all kinds of facilities and training courses to build up qualified detector dogs and leaders. In order for the management of the detector dogs, Kaohsiung Customs built a detector dog management center well facilitated with safe and clean canal and exercising area. In addition to the enforcement, dog leaders also need to take care of the dog's health and wash them periodically. Before going on duty, dog leaders also have to do the examination for the dog's eyes, ears, noses, teeth, limbs, hair, etc. Totally 13 items, in order to maintain the dog's detection capability. Dog leaders have to simulate all kinds of detection environments and observe the responsibility of the dogs so that they can stay at their best condition. At present, the enforcement assignment of Detector Dog Team are mainly focused on the inspection of inbound passengers and baggage in Kaohsiung International Airport. For the purpose of interdiction, we deployed Detector Dog Team to inspect inbound passengers and their baggage at the primary line, carousel, etc. Additionally, we also deploy them casually at the International Post Parcel Processing Center, Kaohsiung Port, and all container yards. They even go across the sea to islands like Kinmen and Penghu to inspect passengers and their baggage to prevent drug smuggling. Facilitation and security are hard to be attained by customs officers and X-ray machines alone. Customs will continue increasing budget to expand the scale of the Detector Dog Team for full deployment. We will closely cooperate with Investigation Bureau, Ministry of Justice, MJIB, and other agencies, and hopefully mutual cooperation with the foreign country for intelligence exchanging in the future, with an aim to cut off routes and source of the drug trafficking and intercept it at the border. In order to decrease drug addicts, we must advocate our citizens to cultivate good way of life and reinforcing anti-drug propaganda, so that we can safeguard our national health and promote social security.